So I wanted to give you a demonstration of why I need the cough assist machine. Basically, my current cough, this is an example. That is really me trying as hard as I can. And obviously it's pretty weak. And if you had a cough from any common cold, you wouldn't be able to clear anything. But what I've got is the cough assist machine, which I'm currently hiring, but it costs about £250 per month to hire. So obviously not a viable long-term solution, and that's why I need one supplied as soon as possible. So I'll give you a demonstration of using the cough assist now to show you just how it enhances my cough. And there you go. As hopefully you are able to hear, that was quite a significant improvement in my cough. And to say that that isn't effective is quite frankly absurd. Alright, thank you for watching.